A good Thursday morning, Ohio Valley. Well, what was a pleasant looking start to the week is quickly becoming wet and gloomy. Clouds start off for morning, even seeing just a little bit of light precipitation across the Ohio Valley, but most of that heavy precip is still down to our southwest, and I do expect to stay to our southwest. But as we move throughout the morning, we'll see some showers move on through. But by the time we get to lunchtime, much of that will be out. So all we should really see through the late morning and the early afternoon hours will just be some spotty showers, some drizzle in some spots, but otherwise just cloudy skies. And as we see this warm front move on through, by 5 p.m., seeing just a couple more light showers start to move on in. But as we continue throughout the evening tonight, we'll see the activity continue to wrap on up a bit out ahead of the showers and snow that we'll likely see as this cold front moves on through. So by 3 a.m. tomorrow, predictor having rain across the area, but notice how quickly we change from rain to snow. So there is a slight concern that we will see some icy conditions. I don't expect much in the way of freezing rain. It's going to be water that's on the roads that quickly freeze over as we see temperatures drop 30 degrees in less than an hour. But right now, models are trending for a 3 to 4 a.m. transition from rain to snow. And if we see that transition even earlier or stay where we are, we really shouldn't see too much in the way of ice. But if we see that get pushed back towards more 5, 6 a.m. and we end up seeing more rain, that could be a bit more of an issue. Like I said, I expect that to be about 3 to 4, so ice really shouldn't be too big of an issue, but still will be a little bit of an issue before we transition on the snow. But then by 4 a.m. we should be completely snow. Not much snow is expected. We're thinking about 1 to 3 inches. Could see a couple localized spots, especially those higher elevations, seeing 3 to 4 inches, but most of us will see just about 2 inches. We'll see that continue to move on out, so by 9, 10 a.m., snow will be completely on out of the area. All we might see is a very brief light snow shower that really won't accumulate, and some flurries and cloudy skies throughout the day. So snow really isn't our issue tomorrow. It's going to be these cold temperatures. 2 a.m. predictor has temperatures right around 40 degrees, 41 here in Wheeling, some spots in the 30s. But watch how quickly these temperatures drop. So by the time I get to 4, sitting in the teens, warmest is 27 up in the Chester, but even seeing our temperatures in the single digits. And unfortunately, we're just going to continue to see those temperatures dropping throughout the morning, which is why we are concerned about that chance for flash freezing, because we'll likely see our temperatures drop 30, even 40 degrees in some spots in less than just an hour. But as well as those colder temperatures, also concerned about winds, sustained winds of about 20 miles an hour. Could see some gusts of up to 40, 45 miles an hour. So that's going to cause very cold wind chills on top of our already cold temperatures. So likely seeing wind chills sitting in the lower teens, even seeing a couple spots feeling as cold as negative 25. So because of that, we do have a wind chill watch in effect tomorrow from 6 a.m. until Saturday, as well as a high wind watch. So just expect to see gusty winds, very cold temperatures throughout the holiday weekend. So as you step out the door, make sure you do bundle on up, cover up any bare skin, because it takes only about 30 minutes to get frostbite, as well as we do have a slight chance for power outages. So not a bad idea to have a fire lit in the fireplace, as well as secure any holiday decorations that you do have outside. Scattered rain showers for your day today, changing on over into snow. But for the holiday weekend, expect a decreasing cloud cover with very cold temperatures, sitting in the teens throughout the day, overnight lows in the single digits. But then we do start off next week with partly cloudy skies, going from 23 on Monday up to 37 by the time we make it to Wednesday.